Hi to all. This is Arise Spoken English. Learning is a continuous process. If you want to learn, step into Arise Spoken English. ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడాలన్నా ఇంగ్లీష్ని సులభంగా నేర్చుకోవాలని మీకు తపన ఉంటే ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ విల్లింగ్ టు లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్ యూ కెన్ స్టెప్ ఇన్ టు అరైజ్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వితౌట్ ఫియర్. The expert in anything was once a beginner. So you can also expert in your field by learning the language of English in an easy way. So I have started this course for all age group, but there is a eligibility for this, willing to learn, and you should passionate about learning English. Learn and earn. So everybody wants to earn, but nobody wants to learn. So learn English without fear. It is our main motto. About our course, what you are going to learn in this Arise Spoken English. We create English atmosphere to learn English without fear. We give importance to joyful learning. We give general awareness of grammar because we are not focusing only on grammar. We are focusing on speaking and framing questions according to the context, according to the tense, and general vocabulary. Vocabulary is endless. Just we can show the way how can you learn the vocabulary, new vocabulary and routine usage sentences, phrases for you. Our objective is enhancing English skills of the children and students and teachers and learners in the rural area, because we may not have the opportunity to go to the cities to learn a skill of English, and we don't have that much money to learn English skill, English language. So at affordable cost, we are providing this course for you. Learn anytime from anywhere. If you are interested, you can learn from anywhere and at any time. Use your time and improve yourself. Yeah, in this course we are providing this basic grammar, parts of speech, types of verbs, types of sentences, tenses, creative thinking, communication skills, fundamental English, personality development, storytelling. Mostly we are focusing only on English. If you are interested, you can focus on that personality development and communication skills later, creative thinking also. What is your mission? Use your time, otherwise you lose your time. If you use your time, you can improve yourself. If you lose your time, you are wasting your time. Time is very precious. It never comes back. Start learning. It's a continuous process. Okay, we cannot change our past, but at least we can change our future. Start from where you are. A good speaker is a good listener. So if you are interested to listen, you can learn from anyone. But I am ready to hear. I can ready to help you. Just you have to willing to learn. That's it. Learn from the mistakes. Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Don't think about that. If you are doing the mistakes, it's nothing but you are trying. Something is better than nothing. If you are learning something, you can do the mistakes. And one more thing, you should not repeat the same mistake. Okay? Don't wait for the opportunity. Create an opportunity by yourself. If you are a learner, if you are a trainer, if you are a teacher, you should create your own opportunity. What are the skills if you have with you? You can share it with other people, and you have to learn other skills from others. That is the learning strategy. So step into the society or step into the learning world. Okay, I am here. I started this course and I have successfully completed one batch. I'm going to continue the second batch. So all the best for you. If you want to join in my course, you can contact me 9848534242 by WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, by YouTube channel. Wherever you can see my course detail will find. Next, Arise Spoken English online course. Join, learn and enjoy. You can see here my number also 9533468626. easy way to learn English. Learn from anywhere, anytime. Break your fear, boost your confidence. Thank you for watching the video till the end and utilize your time to improve your skills. Thanks a lot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the more updates and for the more videos for your better future. I'm trying my level best and support me. If you have the skills, you can share with other people. If you are ready to learn, you can learn the skills from others. That is learning, sharing and caring. Thank you. Thanks a lot.